A Bosch Rexroth Fluid Analysis Kit, part number R9130392221, is available for purchase to collect an oil sample. The kit used in this video, part number R961008305, includes a sealed sample bottle and paperwork to capture all pertinent information about the SHA and the fluid sample to be analyzed. It also includes a pre-addressed envelope to mail the sample. Identify the factory recommended sampling port in the SHA documentation and connect the oil extraction apparatus, part number R978066528, or as in this video, a custom-made adapter to extract an oil sample. Refer to document SHA Fluid Sampling Instructions USH 00197 when using the oil extraction apparatus. Use micro hose, sampling adapter, and waste oil bottle for initial flushing. Remove any protective caps as necessary to secure threaded connections. Connect one end of the micro hose to the sampling adapter. Open the waste oil bottle. Confirm the micro hose end with the sampling adapter remains in the waste oil bottle. Attach the free end of the micro hose to the custom adapter as shown in this video and flush the line. Disconnect the micro hose and repeat the above procedure to flush the second line. Typically, a liquid volume of approximately 90 milliliters or 3 ounces will be necessary to complete flushing. Fluid Analysis Kit, part number R913039221, and Oil Extraction Apparatus Kit, part number R978066528, are both available for purchase. However, in this video, alternative analysis and adapter kits are used. Use a clean sealed bottle to collect actual samples. Take the bottle out of the sealed bag, remove the lid, and assure the micro hose end with the sampling adapter remains within the sample bottle. Connect the free end of the micro hose to the custom adapter and obtain a sample. Typically, a valid sample volume is approximately 180 milliliters or 6 ounces. Disconnect the micro hose, close the sample bottle immediately, and assure the bottle cap is tight enough to prevent leaks. Remove the barcode label from the form and apply it to the sample bottle, assuring the information on the form is relevant to the oil sample in the bottle. It is imperative to also include the nameplate information of the SHA on this form. Place the sample bottle and form inside the pre-addressed envelope, seal the envelope securely, and mail.